Hey everybody, well, we're back on the boat today. And guess what we're doing? We're doing something very different and exciting. You know what we're doing?
Yes.
We're doing more boat projects! Yes! Oh, it's so exciting. It's going to be a little different today. We're going to try to electrify our lives, lighten things up a little bit. And I want to be entertained on the boat. Can we be entertained?
We can.
Because we have a TV that we have mounted up on the forward bulkhead.
But it don't work.
So what we're going to do is we're going to run a circuit in through the settee and put two outlets down underneath so you can plug like laptops or whatever you want in. And also run electricity up to where the TV is so we can power our Amazon Fire Stick and our TV and whatever else we want to put up there. Stay tuned. Let's catch you guys, well, I'm going to say down below. All right, guys. Well, it's time. We're going to run electricity in the settee and we're going to put an electric box up behind the TV that we've mounted. So what we have to do is take one of these electrical boxes and get a hole and put it in. So I'm just going to kind of mark the outside of the box here, right here where it's going to go. Then I'm going to get my roto tool, cutting tool, and cut a hole and hopefully put this box in. Then we'll figure out how to get the wire from the AC panel up here. That'll be fun. So let's mark the outside of the box. Okay, so we just kind of put some marks here where Nancy thought she would want the electrical box. And we checked the back side back here. There's nothing that's going to be in its way. Now we have to figure out how to get wire from there to here, and then from here to up there. What I'm going to do, the wire, and I looked, is about this diameter. I'm hopefully going to be able to put two wires down this hole. So I'm going to drill a hole in the floor to hopefully run the wire through to get it to the electrical panel and then to the other outlet. So we can run the wire up from the backside.
He put a hole in my boat.
So we'll go do the same thing over here.
Oh snap, we have water.
Yeah. So now I can bring the wire up through there. All my hiding spot.
Once the work gets a little more complete, that's my provision spot.
Okay, so now I get the fun pulling up the floor.
Oh, there's our poop box down there.
That has poop in it. I put it there.
So proud.
Are the screws in it?
Nope.
Oh, never mind.
Hold on. Or don't hold on.
Why hold on?
Because your toolbox was in the way.
Ah.
Oh, Mama needs to clean up down there. Look at how nasty that is.
Okay, so.
I made those cushions there. All of them. They're beautiful. See?
You got it?
Got it.
Now,
Yay.
now comes the fun part of trying to get the wire down out of there and back through here. This is going to get real tight real quick, so I'm going to have you stand over there. And I need the wire cutters out of my bottom drawer of the toolbox, the big Kleins.
Will do. Kleins.
Okay, now you can stand right here real quick while I cut this wire.
Family boat yoga.
Yay.
So we're going to cut this right here. There's the wire. So, son,
Yes.
back down. I'm going to push the wire.
And I need to get it down there.
You should see it come out there.
I see it and grab it. I have it.
Okay. This sewing up. So what you have to do is kind of run it back this way.
Alright. Is there any way we could get that piece up?
There is,
Oh.
but this piece won't do anything for you.
Fair point. So.
So what you have to do,
Oh.
Nancy, I'll have you go back in your corner.
Nobody
Wanja,
sends
you go
Nancy
back.
to the corner.
I go back over here.
Yep, watch your hand. Okay.
May I ask why you have two wires there?
Yes, because one is coming from the electrical panel to supply the electric to the outlet, and this outlet's going to act as a junction over to this wire, which runs over to the next outlet.
Nice. So essentially how the junction is going to work is we're just going to attach both wire, the same color wire to the same kind of, where we're attaching.
Basically, there's two. I'm going to attach one wire here, one wire here. There's a little, I'm shaking, but little metal thing in here.
Yeah.
As long as this is connected, it will pass the electricity through. If you break that, it will energize one and not the other. So you can have like one hot and one on a switch.
Oh, okay. So is that what we're doing?
We are leaving it intact, so it will just pass right through.
Nice. So you can run both outlets off one switch and not two?
So I can run it off one breaker. I'm not running them off a switch.
Breaker as
They're going to be hot all the time.
When I said switch, I meant breaker, so as well, they look like switches to me.
Let's see. Is that the same?
Let's see.
Okay.
Why are you making that one different?
Because I'm out of the yellow ones.
Oh, okay.
And this is just a much tighter fit, which is probably what I should be using, but I didn't. Gun gets hot. I don't know if you knew that or not. So, Elijah.
Yep.
When we're wiring, there's brass and not brass. Do you know what I taught you in the past? What color goes where?
What color goes where?
Yeah.
Well, there's a saying about when you touch brass.
Well, white is what? Where does the white wire go?
White is normally...
Is on your right, and it's never broken.
Yeah.
Black goes where?
On the left.
On your brass.
Brass.
And what will it do?
It'll knock you on your ass.
Right. White is right and is never broken. Black is brass and it'll knock you on your ass. Because that's the one that carries all the juice.
Is the brass technically negative?
Nope.
Oh.
Positive. It's hot.
Oh, okay.
It's load. Hook that up there. Put this one out here.
Ah, I see.
Yep, that's saying my dad taught me many, many moons ago. And I've tested it a couple times, and it's true. The black will definitely let you know it's there. But the other end of this is not hooked up, so there's no electricity to these wires right now. That's why I'm able just to touch them, move them, and do whatever I want to them.
That's why you should always turn your breaker off when you're working with electricity like this.
Exactly. Because I've actually shocked myself once pretty good on this boat.
Huh. I remember that. That was scary.
That I can remember. Yeah, that was a pretty good one. Okay, and green goes over here to the ground.
So is green your grounding wire for this?
Green is ground.
Huh.
we got weight pretty good on that one.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so now again, if you do not understand or know what you're doing, call an electrician. Because this can be dangerous and can catch your house or boat on fire.
And who wants that?
I have done electrical work for many years in my home, never for hire. I have learned from electricians on how to do basic home wiring. There's an outlet. So now we have 2 more to do. We only put 1 in, so where's the other one?
Right behind me.
No, that's the other one. We've got 2 more to do, total of 3. Ooh, I confused him. All right.
Oh, you got one over up by the TV.
Yep.
It clipped.